Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. If you are brand new here, my name is Diana and I'm an illustrator, content creator, and a work from home mom. And I'm really excited about today's video because this is my new home office slash art studio where I paint, film videos, respond to emails, all the things happen in this space, and I'm really excited to show you guys around. If you're interested in content around being a professional artist or home decor or being a work from home mom, then hit subscribe below and let's just get started. So this is the door that leads into my creative space, and I love this little door tag right over here that I got from a conference that I spoke at, and I thought it was the perfect way to tell people politely to knock before they come in. So on this side over here is my creative workspace. This is where I mostly hang out in the office. This giant desk was custom built by my husband and his dad, so I'm super grateful for it. I love it because you can sit and stand, so it's great and has plenty of space to paint and make all the things. On this section right over here, I have lots of wall storage. I got this pegboard from IKEA, and it comes with, I believe it's called Scadis, and it comes with all these accessories that fit the pegboard. So as you can see, I have little hooks that are holding the ruler, scissors, and lots of cups to hold all my lettering supplies and markers and things. Added some plant decor. They're both fake, but I just thought they are super cute. And some pictures and an iPad. And then this corner right over here is where I sit. I have some post-it notes to remind me of some of the tasks that I need to finish. As far as my setup, I have my big desktop and my laptop. I have this tripod right over here for my phone. I have my scanner. I use the Epson Perfection V370 photo. I have some cutting boards over there. And then on this 3-tiered cart that I got from IKEA, I have just organized some things. On top, I have some painting supplies. And then on the second shelf, I have all my podcasting things like my mic, ring lighting, my iPad stand, all the things. And then this is just random things. It's hiding all the cords and outlets, so it's not, you know, it's not something that I see all the time. And then this is my giant sketching pad that I whip out if I ever need to write out some ideas or do like a brain dump or anything like that. It's great to have. And then under the desk, I also have some shelves that carry lots of different tools, like my painting supplies, some boxes for storage, things like that. And then I have some cute little office plants right over here. These are real, these are fake. Those are actually gonna go to Everett's nursery, but I'm just keeping them here for now. I have extra storage right over there and 2 matching dressers on this side. So a lot of people are actually asking me what is inside these drawers and how I organize them. So I wanted to show you a sneak peek. But before we get into what's inside, on the top, I actually have it as a makeshift photo area, just because I get lots of great natural lighting. I put some of the paintings here and take some photos, and it's great because it has wheels, so I can wheel it around depending on what the lighting situation is like. And then I have some things that I need to grab on top, and some paper flowers just for decoration, and a little macrame. Actually, I don't think that's macrame. I can't remember what that's called, but I made that at a workshop and I thought it looked really cute in that corner. So, okay, let's get into the storage of things. Keep in mind that it's not perfect and I may change things around, but since you're interested, I will show you what's inside. So in the top drawer, I have my watercolor paper pads. This is the brand that I use. It's called Fabriano Cold Press, and I also have hot press down here. In my second drawer, I have all the paint. I have my watercolor palettes and gouache and some random palettes. All of my shipping labels, priority mail is going to be in here. This is some of my packaging labels, and it's very low in stock because I just shipped out lots of orders for the holidays, so I'm going to need to restock that very soon. And some more packaging items as well as branding papers and things like that. Also a little bit low here. This is just a random drawer of random classes that I've taken, and this linen wood sign that I made that I'm not really sure what to do with yet, so I'm just leaving it here for now. And moving on to this drawer, these are the stuff that I don't need as much, but I have some extra different types of art pads, whether it be tracing paper, marker paper, just mixed media. And then I have random scraps of paper that I can grab if I just need to do a spot illustration and things like that. I have all my crafting things like scissors, hot glue gun, magnets, lots of glue, some twine for any crafting needs. Here I have some additional paper, some workshop materials. I have some samples that I used to use a lot when I used to do custom stationery, my Pantone color set. This drawer really needs a makeover, but it basically has all the cords and random things that I need. And then the last drawer is also random paper samples and work and art that I've collected. And that's it. So since I first started recording, I decided to add this little station right over here. So I thought I'd show you guys. So this is going to be my photo shoot and filming station. I brought this little desk over from our bedroom. This used to be my makeup desk, but now I don't really use it anymore, so I thought I'd bring it over here. I believe I got this at Living Spaces, but I just changed out the hardware, and I got those from World Market. The chairs also from Living Spaces. And this is basically where I'm going to be shooting my tutorials and any overhead shots, watercolor tutorials and things like that. And I got the tripod for Christmas, and then I got some lights for myself. They're all from Amazon, and I will link it in case you guys are interested. Last but not least, here's a closer look of the area rug that I have. I'm obsessed with the colors and shapes that it has. I actually got this for Christmas from All Modern, and yeah, I think it really ties in with the rest of the color scheme I have in this office, and just makes me super happy whenever I come into the studio space. And that's a wrap. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I had so much fun showing you guys how I set up this space to make it functional and beautiful while being efficient at the same time. If you like this type of content, please hit like on this video so I know that this is something you want to see more of. I think I'm going to do another video where I show you guys what I do on a weekly basis as a creative business owner and work from home mom. So if you're interested in that type of topic or have any questions, then please leave it down in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Bye!